Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So there might be some issues with the Exynos power variant of the Galaxy S22 series. We had some benchmark tests that shows the Exynos 2200 underperforming compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But it's not all that bad news. There is actually good news about the performance of the Exynos 2200. But before we get into, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So this time Samsung is using the Snapdragon variant in more regions than before. The Exynos 2200 is mostly available in Europe and Africa, and since the device has been in the hands of some reviewers, we now have some actual benchmark of the Exynos 2200. Now the benchmark are from two different sources and they both tells that there is an issue. So the first one shows the Exynos 2200 pretty much neck and neck with the Exynos 2100, and in some cases even worse than the Exynos 2100, which is surprising because the X-Clip 920 GPU is supposed to be significantly better than the ARM GPU on the Exynos 2100. Now, here's the issue with this test. Tom the Tech Champ ran the similar test on his Exynos powered Galaxy S22 Ultra, and the result is much better than what we see on the previous Geekbench test, and its stats showcase that it's really close to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Now I don't know who is the source of the first benchmark score, but I'm more likely to trust Tom results rather than the former. Now second score came from Exynos and it shows the Exynos 2200 underperforming compared to Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. But this one is pretty much destroy itself because it's a 3D mark test, and this test the GPU performance, and it shows the Exynos 2100 on par with the Snapdragon 888, which we all know is not to be true. The GPU on the Snapdragon 888 is much better than what's on Exynos 2100. It also shows the Exynos 990 outperforming the Snapdragon 865, which is totally bizarre. So this list of score in itself is a self-destructive because there is no way the top part is going to be true and the bottom part is going to be untrue. I see a lot of people trash talking about the Exynos 2200 because of these scores, and I don't understand why Exynos will be posting something as self-contradicting as this, because the Exynos 2200 is actually a real good performer in real world. And basically we have to wait and see about the real world performance when we see this particular device in the hands of user. So until then, fingers are crossed right now. And let me know your thoughts about the Exynos 2200 X-Clip GPU in the comment section below. What do you think about that? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.